Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, power off your Dell P89F laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over to access the battery compartment. Locate the battery release latch. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. If you encounter any difficulty, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Once the screws are removed, gently slide the battery release latch to unlock it. Carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. Now is a great time to clean the internal area of your laptop. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help in maintaining the laptop's performance. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Press down gently until it clicks into place. Secure the battery by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened properly but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Before you finish, it's advisable to check if the battery is recognized by the system. Power on your laptop and go to the battery settings to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. After confirming the new battery is working, you can clean up the work area and enjoy the extended life of your Dell P89F laptop. This simple replacement can significantly enhance your device's performance and longevity. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.